Morning, guys, again. So had to run to the dump to take out the trash. You know, around here, no trash pickups. I got to take it in there, and post office is close by, so I figured I'd stop and check the post office box because I knew one of y'all was sending me something. You had emailed me yesterday that it was delivered, so I figured I'd stop. Lo and behold, I go in there and there's 3 packages. So I know how y'all like unboxings, so I figured I'd show you guys what's going on here. So this is the one that I figure I know what it is. I believe this one is from TJ Squatchy. And yep, that's the one I know what it is. And you, my friend, went absolutely silly. Because there are 4 boxes of quart jars. So thank you very much. That is cool. Now I don't need any more jars. I am good to go. So I'm going to get these out of the way. Good.
Awesome.
Mrs. Pinball on the camera here. So I figure I'll start with that. I'll show you what's next. So let me slide this one out of the way. Apparently you guys don't do anything small. No. So this one, I have no clue what it is. And I can't even see where it's from. Let's see. Hebron, Kentucky, but I think that's, oh no, this is an Amazon box, so that's not going to help. All right, hopefully there's a card in here or something. Because otherwise, I'm flying blind. I've got to know it. It's okay. There's something here, so we'll open this up. And there we go. This is for Mrs. Pinball. Hope Mrs. Pinball likes this. I have one and I never burned my chili anymore from 27 Maytag. Thank you. Let's see what it is. It even comes wrapped. Look at this.
Awesome, yeah. With the bow on the top.
Yeah,
Look at that.
I just dropped something. So, obviously she's playing camera here, so she knows exactly what's going on. So I'm not.
I love the wrapping though. It's so cool.
Let's see what we got. Untie, untie, untie.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. There we go. Gotta figure out how the bag works. Gotta be smarter in the bag there, Pinball.
I'm going to save the bag.
Oh yeah, it's a great bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's in there?
There's another. Is there a knot in it or something?
There should be, yeah.
I'm trying to figure this out, gang. This part may get edited out. I don't want to ruin the bag.
Yeah, me neither. Let me try.
All right, we'll be editing this part, and we're going to stop the video. And okay, so Mrs. Pinball was smarter than the bag, so thank God I have her around because God knows I couldn't figure it out. So we'll open this one up and see what's in here. And my knife hit the floor or something, I'm betting. There it is. Don't you like the high quality production of our videos? So let's see here. Cardboard. Okay, there's a pot lid.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, geez, look at this. Look at
look at
That's
this.
one hell of a stainless steel stew pot.
Yeah.
And even comes with a stainless steel ladle. Look at that.
Cool.
Guess what? Now we can make gallons and gallons and gallons of borscht.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Thank you, 27 Maytag. It's awesome. Thank you.
Very much. Hey guys. Okay, so at the top of the video, I said there were 3 things, and there was a third box. And when we opened it, it was some company trying to get me to market their product or whatever it is. And you all know I don't do that. It was some sort of candy bar, protein, something or whatever. But that's not what I do here. So obviously I edited that one out. So that's why there's only 2 boxes. So both Mrs. Pinball and I wanted to say thank you to TJ Squatchy and to 27 Maytag for your very generous gifts. Thank you very much, guys. All right. Y'all have a good one. Pinball out.